Today, I'll show you the fastest settings for OP Auto Clicker step by step so you can maximize clicking speed safely. Step 1. Download and install OP Auto Clicker. First, go to the official OP Auto Clicker website and download the latest version, install it on your PC, and open the program. Now, set click interval. In the main window, find click interval. For the fastest clicks, choose 0.01 seconds, which is 100th of a second, giving you maximum speed. Now, go to click repeat and select repeat until stopped. This keeps the clicks running continuously until you manually stop them with your hotkey. Now go to click options, and for most games or apps, you will need to choose mouse button left. Now, assign a hotkey. Go to hotkey settings and press on start and assign your desired hotkey. And then just start clicking. Click start or press your hotkey and OP Clicker will begin clicking at maximum speed. Always monitor to avoid unintentional behavior in apps or games. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.